Ever heard of Picacho Peak? You've probably driven right past it, but even historians sometimes overlook this incredible desert landmark. Click those subscribe and like buttons to help us get stories like these out to other history buffs. For thousands of years, this peak has guided travelers, but its story is way more than just a mountain. It's a story that hides ancient petroglyphs, rugged stagecoaches, forgotten battles, and even tanks rolling through the sand. Long before any highways crisscrossed this desert, prehistoric peoples carved their stories right into the rocks of the Picacho Mountains. We're talking spirals, animals, and mysterious abstract designs. There are over 4,000 petroglyphs here, marking this place as a true cultural crossroads for ancient civilizations. Fast forward to 1775. Spanish explorer Juan Bautista de Anza leads a group of colonists north, and he records the peak in his journal, calling it Cerro de Taca. It quickly became a vital waypoint on the trail to California, connecting ancient indigenous paths to the new wave of Spanish expansion. Now picture this: December 1846. The Mormon Battalion, exhausted and desperate, staggers past Picacho Pass. Many are barefoot, all are desperate for water. One soldier wrote in his journal, "We had trudged along, mostly barefoot, for 26 of the previous 36 hours. The peak was their guide, but it offered them no relief from the harsh desert." By the 1850s, things got a little more organized. Picacho Pass became a key stop on the famous Butterfield Overland Mail route. Stagecoaches kicked up dust as they carried letters and passengers through this narrow desert corridor. Right alongside the trail ran the telegraph line, the high-tech communication of its day, connecting Arizona all the way to California. Then history took a dramatic turn. On April 15, 1862, Union cavalry clashed with Confederate Rangers right here. It's known as the Battle of Picacho Pass, the westernmost battle of the entire Civil War. It was a small skirmish, just 23 men in total, but it's a powerful symbol of just how far the conflict reached across the continent. Later, the Southern Pacific Railroad carved its path through the pass, bringing a new era of travel and commerce. And during World War II, the desert echoed with a different sound: tanks. The landscape around the peak was used for training exercises, making it a waypoint for soldiers of a whole new era. Today, Picacho Peak State Park is a destination for hikers looking to conquer its challenging summit, and for visitors who come to see the incredible wildflower blooms each spring. And when the sun goes down, stargazers gather under the dark skies, linking the ancient art of navigation by the stars to modern astronomy. It's a place that continues to inspire awe. Thanks for watching, and be sure to follow for more hidden histories.